In Adobe Premiere at the top you'll see Learning, Assembly, Editing, and many other tabs. We're going to start with Assembly. In this section right here, we will import our media. We will then choose which part of the clips to use in this, and then move them into our timeline here. Let me show you how to do this. First, let's import media. I'm going to double click. I'm going to go to Network, Groot, Asgard, and CCA. Pledge videos, and then depending on the class, I will choose a class, 1B. I select them all. Notice how I selected them all, and I hit import. I now have all of my needed footage, or my clips, right here. We're going to start with Please Stand, and I'm going to double click it. When I do, it loads in here. And I'm going to choose which part of this clip to drag here. This is my final project down here. So let's see. If I move this over, and I hit play.
Camera, go.
Oh, let's go back right before she starts the Pledge of Allegiance. And I'm going to use this button right here for Mark In. That's going to set my in point. I could also hit I on the keyboard. I'm then going to play.
Go.
I'm going to stop it right there, and I'm going to choose the out point right here. I click it. I can then drag this and move it down here into my timeline. As you can see, I now have just that section to play.
Go.
Fabulous. We should then include a drone shot. I'm going to double click in this section right here, and then go back to Pledge Videos. I'm going to go to Drone Shots and choose Morning Drone 2. Import. I will double click this file and kind of scan it to see which section I like, preferably something with a flag. Oh, this works right here. I'll start here, go to the in, play, stop it, hit out, and then drag the video down. This is video, this is audio, and I don't need any audio for this. So now I have,
Go.
and we have a shot of the school with the drone. Perfect. I'm now going to go and find my next one. I Pledge Allegiance. I double click, play till I find it.
Wait. Right in here. So right there and go.
Asbury's going to start. So I'm going to move it back and hit the end point. Play.
I pledge allegiance to the flag.
I stop it. I hit the out point, and I can drag it down. Now I have all of this.
Go.
Please stand for the pledge of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag.
And then we will continue like this. I'll do one more. We'll go ahead and do 3. I double click. I find where it starts.
Go.
Right there probably. I'm going to click the in. Play. I stop it, out, and drag it down. Make sure it flows okay.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
Pretty good.
Go.
If I don't like it, I can always click this right down here and expand it so I can see it bigger. And I can move this a little bit to the left. Now, to do that, it kind of snaps. It's hard to move it just a little bit. And that's because snapping is on. If you look right here, you'll see a little horseshoe, like a magnet horseshoe thing. If you click it so that it's not blue, I'll be able to move this just a little bit. I can then turn it back on to connect it so it's nice and tight. Now we have,
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
I like that. That looks great.
Go.
All right, next up is going to be syncing sound. So finish this and then move on to the next video.